first pull in the Skyline since I've got the new turbo and external gate from the GoPro. So hopefully the sound quality is pretty good. But yeah, this will be a nice day, I hope. Really excited for it. Morning everybody, welcome back to a new video. I'm just with the Skyline, actually wrong way, sorry. With the Skyline this morning, waiting for my mate Braden to come outside. We're going to go to a Cars and Coffee. It is about 6:30 in the morning, so I have to kind of be somewhat quiet. If anyone's into fishing and camping and whatnot, definitely check out Braden's YouTube channel. That's his 200 series Land Cruiser. I'll put the link below, Sea and Land Adventures. Definitely check it out. Braden loves going fishing and all that shit, so it's all good if anyone's interested in that. But yeah, taking the Skyline. I've got a GoPro in there, so we'll get some driving footage, obviously to and from. I think Braden's bringing his GoPros and probably his drone, so we'll get some good footage out of that today, hopefully. So yeah, we're going to go get some breakfast and then we're going to head on out to Banyo. So that's where the car meet is this morning, so it's all Japanese Cars and Coffee. So I've been to the last one maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago, but it's been a while, as you can tell. I've kind of got a bit of facial hair, so I'm excited for a video today. It's been a while, so anyway, yeah, we'll go get some breakfast and I'll see you soon. One car up here that I kind of forgot to film film coming in. Now it's a KCG, I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, KCG 110, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It's the first one I've ever seen in public. Have a look at that. Looks awesome on the Watanabes. All original. How cool is that? Sorry mate. All good. That is unreal. Something you don't see every day. Look at that. Absolutely timeless interior. It smells like 98 as well, so that's very common. Fender mirrors from factory. And that is just awesome. So if anyone knows a story around the 70s kind of imports, right? So the front, if you just notice, the front of this Skyline actually looks like a Dodge Charger. So anything that's around this era of Japanese cars, they tried to copy most of the American styling of the time. So that's why they kind of have the same style of body, for instance. So yeah, we'll go for another walk again and we'll see what's here, but I'll take you over and have a look at this 180SX on VSKFs. Looks really nice. I feel really sorry for Braden because I'm saying all these terms, for example VSKFs, and he's got no idea what I'm saying. So yeah, nice VSKFs, 180SX. Really nice. I do always enjoy the lazy oil say tired, I don't know what you call it, sleepy eye 180s. Hey look at the puppy dog. It really wants the bottle. I've already filmed all this already, but it depends if I use this footage or footage from the other camera. I just look like an... Hey? GoPro. No GoPros. I'm all original. So yeah, it depends if I use the footage out of this camera or my other camera, but I think the quality is going to be better on this one. Nice 32. Really, really nice. As I said already, 33 GTR wheels look good on everything, but 33s. Nice Tommy Macklin edition Evo. I've always digged the red. The red is beautiful. Really, really nice. Another S15. And the Supra. I'll show you the Supra on this camera, so hopefully it might be a little bit clearer and really nice. But it's beautiful, beautiful colour. The blue, it just has so much depth to it. Lovely. Set of VSXXs, if you can see it in the shadow, because it's really quite dark. Lovely. Big turbo. Hey look, Skyline. No one really cares about that. Mine's the only one here, so yeah, should be right. I'm all about being negative. I don't really care. As I was saying to Braden before, it's mainly Mazdas, because it's held by the I think it's the Mazda or the RX Club of Australia. So mainly more RXs than anything else. So
Explain it then.
it would explain it, Braden, 100%. So yeah, mainly all RXs. A couple of Subarus pulling in now. What do you say? Paisley. So yeah, we'll go for a walk through here again, see what's changed. So I got a VR4 Galant, a couple of Evos, GC8s, Evo 1 and 2s, Evo 10s, another Evo. The price of Evos, they have gone through the roof at the moment, especially correct me if I'm wrong, I think they're 5 or 6s, but there's a couple of Tommy Mackinnon ones here which are worth an absolute mozza. There's one that's actually just over there that's full, got the full like Tommy Mackinnon interior and everything like that. So I'll go back over here and we'll have a look at this JZ.
Full on for a Hilux.
It is full on for a Hilux, eh? Like look at the size of the turbo and then go to the rear wheels. They're huge. 32 GTR with Nismo LMs. I really love these wheels. You can't get anything better than that. But then if you go to the back, hey look, sausage. Hello sausage. Nismo old logo. There we go. Anything that's old logo like that, worth a mozza. Now there's an S1 34 GTR here. S1 Amori factory titanium bar. S1 spec RB26. Really nice. Looks good. S15 32 GTR. There's another 34 GTR here on work CR tyres. This really stands out to me because I really enjoy the simplicity of everything. Everything's black. Turbo, intake, radiator, overflow, intake as well. All black. Really nice. Braden, would you like this?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What about the price tag? I don't think you like the price tag though.
No, probably not.
No. As I said earlier, Braden wants to buy a Skyline, but he said he wants to buy a $300,000 one. So something like that. But here's the Tommy Mackinnon edition Evo I was talking to you about. This is worth a fair bit, including having the actual Tommy Mackinnon edition seats. So that puts the price right up, like through the roof. There's another 34 GTR just here. Really nice. I do like the work wheels on it. Anything white is really good for me. So work GTS wheels, all original. I don't think it would set this off, make it a little bit nicer if it had the wing extender. So the wing would actually sit like up here, make it look really nice. Oh, really nice crown. I do like crowns just because they're JZ powered. And that's really nice and tight. That's so VIP. There's window blinds and everything in there. That's sick. We'll go over here, we'll check out the Mazdas, a couple of RX-3s. There's actually a Datto Bluebird here, which is on left-hand drive, which makes things really cool. Sparko seats. I really dig the light blue colour. The baby blue, sorry. Really cool. The fact that it's left-hand drive makes it even better. 323s, RX-3 Savannah. Beautiful.
You need to pay for that bill then, because I'm not paying for it. Yeah.
So yeah, just walking about now, just checking everything out.
32.
Another 32 GTR. Lovely. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll use this footage from this camera or the other camera, but I'm excited to see how it turns out today. It's been a while since I've filmed a video, and I'm happy to be here. So that's all I really care about. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you when I pick the camera up again. Go, sunshine!